Hello and welcome to Muazo.co.uk with me, Nitin, the founder of Muazo. Today we are taking a look at Motley Treatment Styling Balm version 2. Yes, it's back. It's been around for a while. Some of you may already know that version 2 has been floating around in various countries and locations for a while now, but it's just hit our shores recently. And I bringing this to you for the first time on Muazo to show you how I style my thick, curly, wavy, coarse hair with treatment styling balm. So without further ado, let's take a look at how I used Motley treatment styling balm version 2 on my hair. Okay, so my hair has been washed. It's been air drying ever so slightly, so it's just a little bit damp. I'm gonna run a brush through it. I'll put a link to Amazon below for this brush. This is a bamboo hairbrush. Just gonna give my hair some direction, just to let it air out. Haha. Hair does not feel as thick as it used to. I think it's going through a shedding phase right now. And what I'm going to do, cool heat just to give it some style, just to take out the slight wave so we can get a nice clean look. Okay, now on to Motley Treatment Styling Balm version 2. This is a mix of, or a combination of, Treatment Styling Balm Original and Chrome. Oh, I always like this scent, but this one smells a bit sweeter, a little bit more like candy. Like lemon candy, lemon sherbet. It's a really nice scent. And it's an unusual scent when it comes to hair products, I think. Usually with men's styling products, the scent is usually like something traditional or something on trend, so to speak. This, on the other hand, it's sweet, herby, fresh, and zesty. It's like a lemon sherbet with a lime spritz. I don't know if it's like basil or something herby somewhere in there, and with a sprinkling of sweetness. I think that could be like the lemon sherbet side of things. So I've got myself another fresh one. Look at this. Now, this has been sitting at room temperature for a while, but ideally you want this to be a bit warm rather than cold. Like I always do, I start with a little always goes a long way. I like this already. It's not as, I can already feel it's not as tacky as treatment styling balm and or Chrome. I'm going in really gently at the moment because I don't want to. Because my hair is coarse, what's going to happen is that the tug factor is going to kick in. And although it is tuggy, coarse hair, you'll see here, you will lose a few strands. Coarse hair will, when it comes to matte products, coarse hair will catch and pull. So if you are losing hair, if you are thinning, I would say leave your hair just that little bit more damp. I have probably gone too dry with the hair, but because I'm applying a little bit at a time, I can build on it. I can build on it rather than succumbing to the perils of the tug. always consider the tug seriously. It's such a, it is the cause of most of your hair loss concerns. If you are styling your hair every day, so you're washing, drying, styling, basically, rather than your natural shedding phase, you're causing hair to be lost. So please give your hair a rest. Make sure when you have the opportunity to not style your hair, just don't style your hair. Give your scalp some time to recover from all the washing, chemicals, regardless of how natural they may be. Just chill with them for a bit. You know I like using my hands, but today I obviously used one brush, and I'm also going to use a wide tooth comb. This is going to remove the need for me to use my fingers, and as your fingers are naturally grippy, you might cause more tugging. So this, which is available on Muazo, I'll leave a link on it, will allow to still get in there like your fingers do, but at the same time not tugging, not allowing your coarse hair. So if your hair, again, is thick, coarse, curly, wavy, or essentially Middle Eastern, Asian hair, Indian hair, or is anywhere shares those characteristics, regardless of where your origins may be, please be careful with how much product you apply. You will end up pulling your hair out. Now what I'm going to do, I'm happy with where I've got it. I'm just going to take a little bit more product. Oh, I really like the scent. And I'm just going to slap this onto my hands to kind of like activate it. See, it's there, but you can't really see it. It's all broken down. Preferably, I would like to have this warmer so it will spread easier. I'm just gonna catch it. If you find any white pieces and or hair that's been tugged out or is part of your natural shedding, make sure you catch that. Remove those bits and bobs. Don't allow yourself to be caught out with a clump of white product getting jammed up in a specific area. It's gonna wind you up all day because you're trying to take it out. Here you go. I think I'm done with this. Very matte in its finish. Definitely not as glossy as chrome. I think I like that. I mean, on the camera it might look glossy, but I can guarantee you it's not as glossy, it's not as creamy. I'm just wiping my hands down. It's not as creamy. If you want to get that slightly matter look than what chrome provides, and you want to get that stronger hold that treatment styling balm provides, in my opinion, treatment styling balm version 2 is fantastic. Let's take a closer look. Moustache is coming along a treat. I'll be tickling the ends soon. But there you have it. That is Morris Motley Treatment Styling Balm version 2. Let me know your thoughts, comments below. If you like this video, thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, don't forget to subscribe, hit that button. More styling videos to come. Again, comments, suggestions below. I literally reply to every single comment. So get involved. I love talking to everyone who leaves a comment. Links below. Whatever you're doing today or for the rest of the week, have a wonderful time doing it, and I'll see you again. Bye bye.